Do you want to use YouTube Premium for free? Guys, if you're looking for a way how to use YouTube Premium for free, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this. No, once you're on youtube.com homepage, guys, and of course you sign into your account, you want to click your profile image on the upper right hand side. Now you want to go down to where it says purchases and memberships, right? So you want to click on that. And here you have two options, the YouTube Music and the YouTube Premium. So just simple click and learn more. Now from here, you can see here, try for a month. And of course, it's going to give you for free. This is in my currency, check around. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and you want to click try 1 month for absolutely nothing, right? So you can come down here and you can see the different packages that they offer, and as you can see, each of these packages here, you have the opportunity to use it for 1 month for absolutely free. So all you have to do, choose whichever account you want. Let's choose this option here, and from here you will be greeted with a pop-up that asks you to choose how you want to pay in the future, right? So you can simply go ahead and choose by credit card, PayPal. I would say, do it with a credit card, so select the credit card option, then click on buy, and here you'll have the pop-up options where it asks you to enter your credit card details and also your address and so forth, right? You choose your region and then save the card. Once you complete this, guys, then you'll have YouTube Premium for absolutely free 1 month there, and you can go ahead and you can enjoy all the great benefits there coming with YouTube Premium for 1 whole month. How amazing is that? So that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and use YouTube Premium for free. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.